Show them the stage of birds that used to take starter feed from day old now to 2 weeks. These are the birds. These are the pullets. They are about 2 weeks now. They are taking starter feed. After taking the starter feed, they will go over to chick mash. These are the birds. These are their feeding troughs, their drinkers and their feeders. This is the stage they used to take small drinkers and small chick tray. This is pullet birds. They are taking starter feed at this level now. Thank you. Let's go over to see the broilers that are taking finisher. Okay, let's go over to